and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. Today we will make something which we always order in the restaurants as a starter. We will make a vegetarian starter, stuffed mushrooms. Very easy, all the ingredients are already available at home. Let us start. Easy, tasty, delicious, scrumptious, always wanting for more. Stuffed mushrooms. We are making a nice starter of mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. For that I have taken 250 grams of mushrooms. And you can see that I have removed the stalk of the mushroom to make a cavity like thing. So I'll just show you how. You take a mushroom and tilt it towards the right side. This is how the stalk comes up. If you want, you can scoop out with a spoon and make a cavity, but this should be enough. Similarly, I'll show you one more. That's it. So we have a nice cavity in the mushroom and it is ready to be stuffed. Now for the stuffing, we need onion, which I have already chopped, and these stalks which we removed from the mushroom, that I am going to chop very fine. See here we have finely chopped onion, and the mushroom stalks I have finely chopped it. Now we proceed towards making the stuffing. For making the stuffing, I have preheated a pan onto which I am going to pour a little oil, just 1 spoon, that is enough. Into the hot oil, I am going to put the chopped onions and the chopped mushroom stalks. Here now keep the flame to medium because the mushrooms will leave a lot of water otherwise, and start stirring. Now we are going to cook this very well at a medium to high flame. Do not lower the flame as the mushrooms will leave a lot of water. You see here the mushrooms and the onions have started to brown. At this point I am adding 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, which is minced. Garlic and mushrooms go very well together. So just stir until the raw smell of the garlic disappears. After the garlic is cooked here, I am adding 1 spoon of chili flakes, 1/4 spoon of black pepper powder, some oregano, 1/2 spoon of salt. Mix everything very well. Our stuffing is almost ready, but it is not completely ready. At this moment the stuffing is done. For this level, I am turning off the flame and allow this to come to room temperature. So this mixture is now into a separate pan. I have taken 2 cubes of grated cheese. This is processed cheese. I have 2 cups of grated cheese, processed cheese, of which I am going to add 50% in this mixture. I'll give it a nice mix. Stuffing is completely ready now, and we will start stuffing the mushrooms. So I take a part of the stuffing, 1/2 spoon or so, and I will stuff it into the mushroom. Pack it tight and place it onto the same pan because we are going to cook in the same pan. Stuff the mushroom tight, 1/2 to 3/4 spoon of stuffing, and place the mushroom on the pan. All our mushrooms, 250 grams, are stuffed and ready and nice to go on the pan. As you see, for 250 grams of mushrooms, the chopped stalks and 1 onion stuffing is enough. Now these we will put it on the flame. I already have the flame on high. I am placing the pan. Till 2 minutes we will keep the flame on high, and I am pouring some oil, just about 1 spoon, just a small drizzle. We don't want to make this recipe oily. After 2 minutes we will make the flame to medium. So now the flame is on high. In this recipe, it has to be done on a high to high medium flame. If you lower the flame, the mushrooms are going to leave a lot of water. It is 2 minutes, and now I will make the flame to the medium. Not medium low, medium high. Let this cook for 5 minutes. It is 3 minutes now, and at this point I will cover the mushrooms for 2 minutes. Again open it and then see. We have covered the mushrooms. The temperature is on medium high. I have covered it for 2 minutes. Let us open and check. Yes, it is getting to done. It is almost done. Now I am just lowering the flame. I had reserved 50% of the cheese, and now I just take a small amount of cheese and place it on top of the mushrooms. It is 1 minute. You can see from the glass the cheese has already started to melt, and we will shut off the flame now. So our stuffed mushrooms are ready to be served. So our mushrooms are ready, nice, sizzling and cheesy, and now we will serve them. Restaurant style cheesy mushroom starter is ready. I hope with this recipe your restaurant starter craving of stuffed mushrooms comes to an end there and starts at your home here, because you can make it very easily and with home available ingredients. I hope you have liked this recipe, and comment to me in the description box below how you have liked it and what other things you would like to see on my channel here. So for more recipes, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give it a big like, share it with your friends and family, and by the time I see you next time, bye for now.